you are alright. Here, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Evika. You can call me Vika. And I'm from the Department of Mathematics Education, Class B, 2019. This video, I was made to fulfill a course assessment, Powerful English of Mathematics by Mr. Ahmad Wafa Nizami, MPD. And here, I want to explain about the Pythagorean Theorem, Class 8 Junior High School. Let's do my video. Happy watching! Well, let's just enter the material we want to explain, namely the Pythagorean Theorem. Previously, what is meant by the Pythagorean Theorem? I think you all don't know what is that the Pythagorean Theorem is. The meaning of Pythagoras theorem is, in mathematics, the Pythagorean theorem is a relation in Euclidean geometry between the three sides of a right triangle. This theorem is named after the 6th century BC Greek philosopher Pythagoras. Next, identification a right triangle. Okay, here you can see that there is an image of a right triangle, and there are three sides to the triangle image. First, there's hypotenuse, second upright side, and the third is pedestal side. Next, we are entering to formula for the Pythagorean theorem. What is the formula for the Pythagorean theorem? Okay, Pythagorean theorem formula is, for hypotenuse or C is C squared equals A squared plus B squared, or C equals square root of A squared plus B squared. And for upright side is A squared equals C squared minus B squared, or A equals square root of C squared minus B squared. And the last is for pedestal side, or B. B squared equals C squared minus A squared, or B equals square root of C squared minus A squared. Okay, now we are entering to example. First example is, find the leg of the side x in the following right triangle. The solution is x squared equals 5 squared plus 12 squared. X squared equals 25 plus 144. X squared equals 169. X equals square root of 169 equals 13. Second example, find the value of the side. In the picture seen, if upright side is 19 and hypotenuse is 43, angle of uncouth side is upright side. Okay, we enter to solution. 43 squared equals x squared plus 19 squared. 43 squared minus 19 squared equals x squared. 1849 minus 361 equals x squared. 1488 equals x squared. X equals square root of 1488 equals 38.57. And third example is Mr. Rizky is a plant officer. He wants to repair a broken cable on an electric pole on the side of the road. Then Mr. Rizky fixed the cable using a ladder. The length of the ladder is 5 meters, and the distance between the electric pole and the slope of the ladder is 3 meters. How high is the power pole? Okay, we enter to solution. The solution is we write which now first. It is now that the length of the ladder is 5 meters. The distance between the electric pole and the slope of the ladder is 3 meters. And which to now is electric pole. From the previous illustration, we can make a rectangle as follows, and the solution can be right. 5 squared equals x squared plus 3 squared. So 5 squared minus 3 squared equals x squared. And then 15 minus 9 equals x squared. So 16 equals x squared. Then for that, square root of 16 equals x, and gets x is 4. From that, we get the height power pole is 4 meters. Alright, that is enough for my video. If there is an error in delivering the material, I'm sorry. Hopefully, it can be useful for me and all of you. Thanks so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.